If you want to update GOG Galaxy quickly and safely, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're trying to fix bugs, improve performance, or make sure you have the latest features, keeping GOG Galaxy updated is a smart move. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop shortcut, Start menu, or taskbar, just like you normally would. Once the app opens, take a look at the top left corner of the window. You should see a gear icon there, which is the Settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the available options. After the menu appears, look for the option that says Check for Updates. This is the built-in update tool that lets GOG Galaxy look for the newest version automatically. Click on it, and the app will begin checking to see whether an update is available. If there is an update ready, GOG Galaxy will handle most of the process for you. In many cases, it will download and install the update automatically in the background. You don't usually need to manually search for files or reinstall the software yourself, which makes the process fast and convenient. Once the update has been downloaded and installed, GOG Galaxy may prompt you to refresh or restart the application. If you see that message, go ahead and refresh GOG Galaxy right away. This helps the updated version load properly and makes sure all the new changes take effect. After that, you should be running the latest version of GOG Galaxy. That means you're more likely to have the newest features, better stability, and fewer issues when launching or managing your games. It's a good habit to check for updates every now and then, especially if you notice a problem or if a new feature has been announced. And that's all it takes to update GOG Galaxy. Very simple, very fast, and completely built into the app itself. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.